It has a little balcony, but the doors cannot open. So you have a little seating area here where you can eat. Nice television. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Ekkamai BTS Station in front of the Gateway Mall, and the reason that I'm here is because today I want to show you how a room looks here in the Sukhumvit Hospital. And this is a hospital where we've been going to for already 10 years. 10 years ago we used to live here. Here you have the Wat Ekkamai. We have a friend who is staying at the hospital at the moment, so I'm going to visit him and go and check out his room. So let's see you at the hospital. So this hospital was built about 8 years ago. So this is the new building, but there used to be an older building. And I remember when we came here in the beginning, when we moved to Bangkok, let's say about 10 years ago, we lived in Ekkamai for a while, and that's how we got connected with the Sukhumvit Hospital, because this was the closest hospital from the area where we live. And so this is the new building, and this used to be the old hospital. For our yearly checkup, we always go to the Bangkok Christian Hospital, and the reason is because it's like 1/3 of the price as what you would pay in Bumrungrad and half the price of what you would pay here. And I would recommend to just go online and check the prices of the different hospitals. I will actually put the links of the hospitals in the description here. If we know that we have to stay in the hospital, we always go to the Sukhumvit Hospital. And the reason is because we know that the rooms are brand new. Mirella stayed here one time when she had dengue. And yeah, the experience was pretty good. So let me show you a little bit more inside and show you the room. So as you can see, it's quite a modern building. So you have a lot of different areas here, like the pediatric center. Here you have the gynecology, cosmetic dermatology, laboratory department. But we need to go up. So my friend is staying on the 12th floor. So let me show you a little bit of the view that you have here. So here you have all the rooms, and there is 2 different sizes of rooms. So from here you have a very nice sunset. And let me show you how the rooms look in here. So this is just the standard 1 bedroom. And these ones are overlooking the temple here in front. It has a little balcony, but the doors cannot open. So you have a little seating area here where you can eat. Nice television. Here also seating area for the guests. And the fridge and a microwave. I think, a pretty nice room. The shower. Yeah, you have different types of rooms. So this is a bigger room. So the small rooms, they are about 5,000 baht per night. And if you have a regular insurance, then that should cover it. I remember when Murella was staying in the hospital here, our insurance was only covering like 4,000, so then we had to pay an extra 1,000 ourselves. But the price includes 3 meals per day. As you can see, this is quite a spacious room. Also a nice bathroom here. Yeah, it's almost like staying in a hotel. And for that, I can definitely recommend the Sukhumvit Hospital. As I'm here at Ekkamai anyway, I thought I will give you a little update about the construction of the jetty here at the Wat That Thong. This is a very nice temple that you will see when you get to the Ekkamai area. You can see it from the station. And they've been building this jetty already for quite some time. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Sukhumvit Hospital. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.